This is a video tutorial on how to do the activity adding tenths and hundredths. You'll need a partner for this activity. Step 1. Spin the spinner for the tenths and the hundredths on slide 2. Here's the tenth spinner, and here's a hundredth spinner. When you click the image, it will give you a link that will direct you to a manipulative spinner. I've already spun both these spinners, and when I spun the tenth spinner, I got 4 tenths, and when I spun the hundredth spinner, I got 8 hundredths. I'm going to keep both of these tabs open in case I forget what I spun on each of them. Step 2. Record your amounts in fraction form on your board. Slide 4 is the first board. So I'm going to go down to slide 4 and type in 4 tenths in fraction form and 8 hundredths in fraction form as well. Step 3. On slide 3, manipulate the place value blocks according to the numbers of tenths spun and the number of hundredths spun on the base 10 mat. I'm going to go to slide 3 and I can see that I can move these place value blocks to help model the amounts that I spun onto my base 10 mat. I know that I'm going to need 4 of these rods. I'm going to need 8 of these units. Notice how I have 4 rods and 8 units on my base 10 mat. Step 4, I'm going to type a fraction equation to represent the 2 spins on your board. Going back to slide 4, I'm going to type in my equation. 4 tenths plus 8 hundredths equals, I'm going to say n for now. I then am going to use the paint bucket tool to shade in the sum of my equation. I'm going to highlight 4 tenths on my hundredths grid and shade them in green to represent my tenth spin. I'm going to shade in 8 hundredths on my hundredths grid and shade that in purple with the paint bucket tool. Now based on my proof drawing, or my hundredths grid, I can see that 48 out of the 100 are shaded in. That means that n equals 48 hundredths. You'll keep doing this for the remaining slides, for a total of 10 slides altogether. Have fun!